On LVNV funding versus Melanie Torty, for the record, counsel.
Brian Gruen, GROEN, P number is 56673 on behalf of the LVNV funding.
And Ms. Torty,
Yes.
hang on just a second. Work's calling me. Hold on. I apologize. Okay, back on LVNV versus Melanie Torty. Okay, so you spoke to Ms. Torty, and what are we doing?
Your Honor, I think we've reached a tentative agreement whereby we're going to give her memorialize the agreement and a consent judgment. So if the court is willing, I would just recommend maybe adjourning this pretrial out 30, 35 days or
Well,
so.
if you're gonna, I can do that, but I can just write consent judgment to be, to be submitted.
That's fine as well too. If you, I know a lot of courts want like a review or control date.
Yeah,
out there
they
just to
do an
make sure.
internal control date, so that'll
Exactly.
be fine. And then,
Okay.
then I'm not taking up time on my docket.
I
you
don't,
know, in February.
I don't blame you at all. So,
All right, well then we'll expect that consent, okay?
okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And Mr. Munson,
I'm here on that Mr. Munson's matter as well, Your Honor.
oh, which case was that?
That's Citibank versus Pamela White.
Oh, yep, I got it. Citibank versus Pamela White. And what are we doing with that case?
I believe both parties are going to request like a 60-day discovery time period, Your Honor. We've had a history of working these out for the most part between our firms. So we're hoping that a settlement can be reached during that time period.
All right, I'll adjourn it to March the 9th. And I lost track of where I was adjourning cases to. I'm gonna set it at 10 a.m. on March the 9th.
Thank you.
All right.
Perfect, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Perfect, you're all set. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. And then on Aman Ayuk versus Frederick Williams, counsel, this matter was set at 10:30 today for a motion for summary. I don't see a motion for summary in the file. Did you file one? You're muted, Mr. Williams.
Can you hear me now, Judge?
I can hear you now.
Judge Lawrence Williams, on behalf of Frederick Williams, P number 42491. Yes, Judge, there was a schedule for a motion for summary decision at this time. Judge, on a personal matter, I've had some issues with my family. My oldest sister, we're looking for her not to survive. That has slowed up a lot of my issues in terms of getting filings done.
You
I
know
should
what?
have-
I apologize. I'm sorry for your situation.
I appreciate that, Judge. I appreciate, and I dislike putting my personal affairs in front of the court, but sometimes one must.
It
But
is
I
what
can
it
have-
is.
But I can have the those documents into the court and filed on the defendant on or before this Friday with a hearing date to come at the court's pleasure.
Well, if you're gonna file in this, the plaintiff in this matter has failed to appear.
Exactly. So we would ask for a dismissal, Judge. Pursuant to the Michigan court rules, she is the moving party in this action, and she has failed to prosecute it. So a dismissal without prejudice is proper.
I will grant your motion to dismiss. You can email it to the court, an order for the dismissal to civil34dc@gmail.com, and I'll sign it.
Civil34@GC.
civil34dc@gmail.com.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I'll get that done today.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Jarvis, let me go off the record. Hang on. Good morning, Jarvis. How are you?
Good morning, Judge. I'm doing